Some people get in one day what others can't achieve in a week. It's not talent. It's not luck. It's deep work. The rare ability to focus intensely on cognitively demanding tasks without distraction. Most of us drift in shallow routines, lost to endless notifications and meaningless tasks. What separates high achievers is hidden in science-backed strategies few even know exist. Master them and your productivity won't just improve. It will redefine your professional life entirely. Deep work is more than a trendy term. It's a neuroscience-proven approach to peak performance. When you focus deeply, your brain strengthens the prefrontal cortex, improving reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Each interruption fragments neural connections, scattering attention and silently stealing hours of productivity. Yet most professionals ignore this cost, assuming multitasking is efficient. Research shows that true high-value output doesn't come from longer hours. It comes from protecting uninterrupted periods of focus. In these states, the brain enters flow, where ideas connect, insight emerge, and innovation is born. The ability to cultivate this focus isn't optional. It's the engine behind extraordinary professional achievement. The first mistake is glorifying busyness. Professionals cram their days with meetings, emails, and tasks, believing constant activity equals progress. But it doesn't. Second, digital distractions dominate every moment. Phones buzz, Slack pings, and social media scrolls fracture attention instantly, leaving focus in ruins. Third, vague goals sabotage deep work. Without a clearly defined target, the mind drifts into shallow, low-value activity. Even highly skilled professionals often overestimate how much true focus they achieve daily. Recognizing these mistakes is essential because awareness alone begins the process of reclaiming your cognitive edge. Once you see where focus leaks, you can start locking in uninterrupted, high-value work. Begin by scheduling focus blocks, uninterrupted sessions of 60 to 90 minutes dedicated to your highest value work. During these periods, remove every potential distraction. Silence phones, close unnecessary tabs, and clarify exactly what you intend to achieve. Next, apply the work backward method. Define the end goal first, then reverse engineer the steps to reach it. Third, embrace boredom. The brain craves constant novelty, but resisting it strengthens attention and sharpens mental endurance. Fourth, track output, not hours. Deep work compounds. One fully focused hour today can deliver results far beyond a distracted week. Finally, ritualize your environment. Create cues that signal focus, whether a specific workspace, background music, or morning routine. When these practices are consistent, deep work shifts from an intentional effort to an automatic habit, transforming how you approach tasks, solve problems, and generate high-value results every single day. Deep work isn't optional. It's the multiplier that separates top performers from everyone else. Guard your focus, structure your environment, and treat attention as a scarce resource. Begin small, but act now. Results won't appear overnight, yet over weeks your output, creativity, and career trajectory will reveal the impact of sustained focus. Commit fully, eliminate distractions, and mastery becomes not just possible, but inevitable.